Sometimes it's just good to get out, get a little fresh air, get grounded. That's the way to do it. Kind of see what's going on everywhere. Just enjoying the nature. He has a point of view. Getting out into nature is a wonderful thing to do. It helps you to recharge yourself. Get back in touch with the simplicity and the basics of things. My problem is sometimes you have to deal with, like what I've got, South Texas, mosquitoes. We just had a lot of rain, so they're out in force right now. But you know what? Still going to carry on, continue this little excursion and hike. Just feels so good to get out and do this kind of stuff. It's hard to do that when the everyday life just kind of comes at you from every angle. Sometimes you just got to make the time to get out, enjoy life, enjoy nature. It's what it's all about. Taking time to enjoy those little things. Probably one of my most favorite things to do in the world right here. It's like whenever I was in Sedona, Arizona recently, getting to climb those mountains and just actually have my hands on the rocks, feeling the energy in them. People say you can't feel it. I beg to differ, you can. If you've ever been in a situation like that, you can feel it all around you. Nature whispering to you. Just all these little things that you can pay attention to. Just a few minutes ago I saw a lovely little red and white mushroom. Not gonna eat it. No better. Even the mosquitoes. Yeah, they're a nuisance. They definitely get your attention. Like the other things in nature. This is living. And I hope all the rest of you are doing that or finding time to do these things. So anyways, show's been on hiatus for a while. COVID, a bunch of personal shit going down in lives. Just taking care of it. Still needing to take the time to get out and do these types of things for myself, to better myself, for my better health. Especially right now with COVID going on, all of you are probably cooped up at the house. I mean, you need to take the time, find time to break away from the monotony of all of this and just get out and back into nature. Look at all that. Beautiful. All right, over the next few videos, I want to do a series on things that you can do to kind of help improve your mood, better yourself, basically improvements. And one of the things that I always suggest to people is to carry a journal with them everywhere they go. Travel journal. I've got several of them. I've got a leather one that I carry with me all over the place. It's actually in the Bronco right now. I'll probably write about this experience in a little bit. But that's some of the stuff that I want to actually discuss, because doing things that help improve your mood also in a way helps improve your health. And one of the things I've seen over the past year, I guess we could say, now that we've been a year into this lockdown, people's health is deteriorating. And a lot of it has to do with the fact that they're not getting out and getting that social interaction they need, or just getting out of their homes. And we've got to find ways to kind of help ourselves heal. And that's why I want to talk about, one, journaling. And then we'll go into some other aspects like nutrition, health, and stuff like that. But that is possibly one of the things we want to touch on first, is the journals. Why I do it, why I think you should do it, and the benefits that it can provide you in doing it. So let's jump over to that section. Okay, so we're jump cutting my own video. Welcome back. This is going to be a little short segment in this video talking about the journaling. I just alluded to that in the main part of the video. I'm going to start a new series that was going to be talking about the different types of journaling that you can be doing, such as, you see I've got tons of journals laying around. But the reason why we want to talk about journaling is because journaling, it kind of hands you control over your thoughts, ideas, and allows you to carve out basically some time for yourself. And it also gives you a simple yet effective way to track your moods, your health, the types of foods that you're eating. So that is some of the stuff we're going to cover. It also enables you to make positive lifestyle changes. If you know what's going on up here, because you're writing it down here, you can make the necessary changes that you need. Also, it provides you with a safe place to offload. You basically let your emotions out, and you don't have to have the fear of people judging you. So with that, head back over to the main part of the video. One of the other things I really enjoy about coming out here is it's near the our local park type thing. You hear the kids in the background, you hear some of them playing. I can smell the campfires. It's a wonderful smell. And every now and then when I get out here on these trails, I'll be greeted by some of the lovely wildlife. Like, I've had deer follow me around. Well, hey buddy, you got some snacks? Well, not today. But I have seen quite a bit of birds. Mushrooms all over the place. You can hear the birds in the background. Look at the canopy. Oh. And some of the areas that I walk through over here, the canopy kinda engulfs you, covers you, makes like a little overhead bridge. It's pretty awesome. And as in life, we all follow certain paths and trails. But sometimes we just gotta go off trail. Let's see what's out here. What I'm following right now looks like a deer trail. Deer walk through here. Oh, and I do suggest if you're gonna go off into the woods and stuff, there goes a deer right now, running. A couple of deer just ran out. That's pretty cool. Anyways, as I was saying, if you're gonna go off trail and start doing stuff like this, carry a stick, something for protection just in case. Yep. Because you never know what's on these trails. Especially in South Texas, we got wild hogs, sometimes snakes, things of that nature. Right now it's the mosquitoes. So, let's head back onto the main part of the trail Apparently I startled a little young yearling, and I don't want to disturb them or mama if she's around, because sometimes the mother deer are a little territorial and they will jack you up. It's pretty awesome. Anyways, this is going to be probably the final part of our hike. Just kind of coming over here. There's a little island over there I'm going to go walk to. Probably can't hear anything because of the wind. It's very windy. See, I've got clouds coming in. Quite a beautiful area.